What's up, guys? Hope you guys are good. Today, we're going to be looking at one fantastic product that I love right here. This is the Zhiyun Molus X100 combo. I got this from Camera Joint, and there's so much I have to say about this light. But first and foremost, let's open the box. Alrighty, in the box, you have two other boxes. Now, this main big box here contains all the other accessories, whilst this one is just the bow to mount adapter. So let's open this one first. I really want to see what's in this first. Okay, so in that box you have another bag. Okay, we're having some nice packages right here. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Let's open up the bag. I really do, most times when you get a light, you usually get this carton that just has the lights inside and all the accessories, and you can't really take it out. You either have the option of putting it raw into your bag or taking the box along with you. I love this bag right here from Zhiyun. I love the fact that it's well packaged. Okay, enough talking, let's open it up. Alrighty, so right in there, one of the first things we find is a manual. Okay, and then we have a carry-on bag. I think this bag is actually for the battery pack. It's nice we have something to hold our batteries. Good. Now this is the light in itself. Here is a reflector. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that, beautiful. So here we have the reflector, and then we have a battery pack. This is the part I'm most excited about. Just have a look at that battery pack. It's so nice, and it feels that it has this rubber shield here, so it has this very good grip. I really like how it looks. Okay, let's place that here. Alrighty, good. And then in there we also have, okay, this is like a sling for the light itself. If you're one of those people who love, wearing the light on your body, you can use this. And then we have the power adapter. There it is. And also we have a USB-C cable for connection. And that's about everything we have in there. All right, so let me read you guys the specs of this light. The Zhiyun Molus X100 combo is a 100-watt light with active cooling. It has a run time using the grip for 30 minutes at 100%. It also has a Kelvin of 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin. You can also use it with the app control. It has an output voltage of 100 to 240 volts. In terms of power supply, you can either use a PD adapter, DC, or a battery grip. And it comes to a total weight of 385 grams. Now let's have a look at the features of the Molus X100. As you can see, I actually placed my Samsung phone next to it so you can see the size. You can see that it's, without the battery grip, it's slightly smaller than my Samsung phone, meaning it's very portable. Next here, I have the Kobo W100R. Now, I want to make a comparison between both, right? If you look at two of them, without the power grip, the W100R, the Kobo actually looks bigger. And if you look at it even in terms of size, it's actually longer likewise. The disadvantage I think the Kobo has is the fact that you can only power it up using a PD adapter or DC, whilst the advantage that the Zhiyun Molus 100, the advantage this one has is the fact that it comes with a battery grip. So let's have a look at the features itself. Now, it has a small screen here. You have, hold on a minute. Good, you have the power button here. This is where you put it on. So next to the power button, you have a dim switch. Underneath that, you have the CCT. I think I skipped saying this. It's a bicolor light. It's not RGB. Underneath, you have an extension of the fan. Let me remove this. This is where you have the light itself. And I can see the model here, the X100. This button is the release button for the battery grip. And then underneath, you have 2 slots for attaching it to a tripod. Underneath here, you have the Type-C and the DC input. And what else again? I think there's one more. Good. Now, by the side here is where you attach the battery grip. The battery grip actually goes in here this way. And that's it. Now, in terms of the battery grip itself, the battery grip is pretty simple. It has this rubber feel on the side here that makes it easier to hold once you attach it. And then on top, it has this power indicator. Now, once you click on this, it shows 4 indicators here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it shows you the level of the battery. So if I click on it right now, you can see it's at 4, meaning it's fully charged. And I think that's it. So let's attach it together and let's just see how it lights up. All right, so to power this up, all we need to do, let me attach the reflector to this. Now it has an indicator actually. You can see 1, 2, 3 here and the same thing here. So we just have to make sure that they all line up. Hold on 1 second. There you go. And then we turn it, it clicks. So let's add the power adapter. There you go. And that's it. So let's put this on. So now you have to rotate this. And then it comes on. Good. Now this is at 1. I mean, this thing is powerful. This is at 1%. My. And this is 2700 Kelvin. I mean, if it's this powerful at 1%, I mean, let's push it up a little bit more. Let's do, say, 20%. Look at that. That's so powerful. Wow. Amazing. So this is 2700 Kelvin. Let's move this to 5500. It feels different. Wow. Amazing. I think what I'd love to do now is actually mount it on a Bowens mount. Now, if you notice, it actually comes with a Bowens mount. So what I would love to do is take away my fill light, or my main light actually. Yeah, I think I'll remove my key light and use this. Let's just see how well it works. Now, what I have done is I have removed my key light from the front and I replaced it using the Molux X100. And another thing I've also done is I've downloaded the app. It's called ZY Vega. It's available in the Play Store and the App Store. I've downloaded it to my Samsung phone and I'm going to be controlling it from here. So let me open up the app. There it is. Right now it's at 0%. So I'm going to light it up. Look at that. Now this is approximately about like 30%. And look at the quality of the light. I love how it's not just the light, it's the quality, it's the tone of the light. And in the app, you have tons of other, presets in there. You can change it from, right now, this is 5600 Kelvin. I can push it all the way to 2700. Now it has the feel of the sun. I can push it all the way back again. And it has a few presets here. You have daytime, tungsten, modern light, dysprosium, and fluorescent lamp. Hey, you boy, look at the way you're looking. Do you want to do your own review? And that's basically it. And then it has a few other pages. I mean, you can actually just go through the app and look at some of the few things that he has. But I mean, in terms of basic operation, this is how it works. I can power it down and power it back up again. So as you can tell, it's a powerful light. It really is. Wow. All right, guys. To be honest, I love the light. I mean, what's there not to love about the light? It's very easy to use. I'm actually still using it. I refuse to take it down. It's very easy to use. And in terms of pricing, it's not really expensive. It's about like $199. So it's affordable. But it's the fact that, I mean, it has a Bowens mount and I can mount a massive diffuser on it. I mean, it's a win-win, to be honest. So What do I think? I think it's a great light. If you guys get to lay your hands on it, let me know. Let me know how you use it. And other than that, I think it's bye for now. Caesar, don't you think so? All right, bye guys. See you guys later. Ciao.